Hey there, coding camps. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the world of React.js and exploring the powerful useState hook. Buckle up because we are about to cover the basics in just 2 minutes. Alright, so you have got a React component, right? With useState, you can add some memory to your component. Think of it little notebook where your component can jot down information it wants to remember. So this is the React app which we have created in the previous video. If you haven't watched the previous video, then click on this link and watch the video and set up your React app. So to use it, first import the useState from React and then declare a constant. Let's call it count and use useState 0 to initialize it with a starting value like 0. So displaying the state, you can display the states anywhere. Like now you can display the count anywhere in your component just like any other variable. So I have declared the use the count in the button. So let's make this interesting. You can create a function, let's name it increment, that uses set count, and the setter function that use state gives you to update the count state. In the button I have implemented a onClick function, so that name is increment and the function increases the count by 1. And there you have it, flocks. In just 2 minutes you have learned how to use useState in React to add memory to your components and make them interactive. If you found this quick guide helpful, don't forget to hit that thumb up and consider subscribing for more bite-sized coding wisdom. Keep coding, keep learning, and catch you in the next video.